Yo, what's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Total Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Zoom ZDM-1 podcast mic. I got this from B&H Photos. I got this instead of the pod mic because basically what this package had to offer and the price tag. So with this package right here, with the podcast mic, I got the, of course, the Zoom ZDM-1, the headphone. Or the microphone itself, the windscreen, a little desk mount, XLR cable, and you get a set of headphones too. So with this package right here, I think I got it on sale at about $80. The pod mic by itself was $99. So I decided to go with the sale price and get the whole kit instead of have to buy these pieces separately. I don't know of the quality. I know the microphone. I did read the reviews and watch the reviews of the Zoom ZDM-1 microphone, and all of them were pretty positive. They were like, yeah, based on that with the pod mic, they're pretty much similar. So I was like, yeah, let me save some money and go with the ZDM-1. And right here, I do have a Zoom ZDM-1 kind of in the frame right here, so you can see how it looks. Of course, it's not connected right now, so you don't see an XLR cable in there, but I decided to go with this one, save a little bit of change, and to also build out my kit. So further ado, let's do this unboxing, man. Got these microphones in my face like I'm actually talking to it. But this is the stand I'm gonna put it on. Let's see. Alright. Get your instruction manuals. Don't know if I'm gonna read that. Right here, let me move this camera so you can see what I see. Right here, we have what's in the box. So you have your headphones, your desk mount, your mount to connect the microphone to either the desk mount or a standing mount. And this is the Zoom ZDM-1 right here. All right, put the microphone back on the table. No, keep calling the microphone a camera. I'll get on right one day. So this is the Zoom ZDM-1. This is how it looks with the windscreen on. This is how it looks with the windscreen off. The same as this camera right here. I mean, the microphone right here. Pretty late, I'm getting tired. So, but yeah, that's how it looks, man. Zoom ZDM-1. And of course, I'm going to try this thing out to see how it sounds. These are the headphones you get. The headphones are, let's see what kind of, if I can get on my case, what kind of model this is. And these are the Zoom ZHP-1. Pretty standard headphones. Pretty, they're all right. They'll get the job done. I'm looking for something totally fancy to start this podcast off with. But yeah, as long as we can hear ourselves, I think that's the main objective right now. I don't think we're going for audiophile quality, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I got also right here Zoom PodTrack 4, as you've probably seen in my previous video. Zoom PodTrack 4. May do a quick unboxing of that too. But stay tuned for another video for that. Also, I am gonna hook this stuff up. I gave a tour of my podcast room and my studio space earlier, and I'm just ready to get started to get this thing off the ground. Our photography business and video imaging business is pretty successful right now, pretty steady, and kind of trying to branch off into the podcasting realm to start my own podcast and also get, other people, if they want to do podcasts right like that, they can rent out the studio space and use our equipment for that, and we can produce it for them. But the main thing is to get started, man. I just want to do basically a podcast for men and things like that, because men really don't talk about their issues, not around this area at least, and something to get stuff off their chest, to build with other men and things like that. But that's where I'm at. But yeah, that was the unboxing of the Zoom ZDM-1 podcast mic kit, and I probably need to show y'all what else is in the box. This is the little stands on the desk, nothing special to it. XLR cable is in here, standard XLR cable, nothing special with that. You have the microphone mount where you twist this on the back of this microphone so you can connect it to a rod, something like that. Let's see what else is in here. Microphone, of course, I showed you that. And that's pretty much it. And you got your cables for your headphones. That's pretty much it. That's all that's in the box. Nothing fancy, no razzle dazzle. You get what you pay for. But that's what it's all about. So yeah, that was my unboxing. See you in the next video. Peace.